Introducing ReadyLift's new 2019 Ford Ranger. We just finished the 3-inch SST kit on this truck. The 3 inches of front lift are courtesy of a preload spacer and a strut top spacer, and we're using 1-inch cast blocks in the rear. Now this all makes plenty of room for a 285/60 R18 tire on a wheel with a +18 offset. To learn more about this, keep watching. It is exciting to see the new global platform Ford Ranger return to America with new modern design that is sure to be widely accepted here domestically. Adding one of our new ReadyLift suspension solutions gives that new Ranger of yours a unique appearance, but it also allows for larger aftermarket wheels and tires. If it is a level or rake stance you want for your new Ranger, we have a lifting solution that is ideal for getting a taller stance while maintaining the factory ride and handling qualities. So let me talk you through a couple of the kits that we're initially going to launch for this 2019 Ford Ranger. We're going to have a 3-inch and a 2-inch. Now the 3-inch consists of a strut top replacement. It's a billet piece that replaces the top cap on the factory strut that installs a little